This is the start of the next project here. You have seen me do this in a few pictures. These are the feet, or the holder for the feet rather, on a cooling tank. Whole project will be a high pressure cooling system for the CNC lathe. This is just the start. Now, this here will capture the feet, and they're threaded inch 13. They're just mild steel. So it's 50 by 50 millimeter square tubing, and as you can see here, maybe these go all the way to the bottom. So I'll weld them there, or at least tack them, and I'll weld around here. And I'll cap them off. And then we come over here. This is a tank seen from both sides. There, maybe, if we can try to focus a little bit there. Here you can see the feet. It will be height adjustable, and I can lower it down to about 10 centimeters or 4 inches off the floor on the bottom here. The tank will be about 400 liters with about 2-inch clearance for air up here. This is the start of the tank itself. It's a 2 by 1 meter sheet of 2 millimeter thickness. So it's 39 inches that way and 78 the other. Before it was bent, I don't have a plate or sheet bender that can take 2 millimeters, so I had the local company do that for me. And then we'll weld all the tubing, or the square tubing, on the outside, except the bottom pieces, which will be or the bottom here, because this is obviously upside down, and the bottom will be reinforced on the inside, because I don't want the total height to grow any more than it needs to. So I need to grind all of this here so we can get it painted eventually after everything is welded on. So I'll do the dual action sander all over it. Oh, the box got the dual sander treatment. I don't know if you can see it really. But it is sanded all over. And I've laid out the first side of the box, which is going on top here, or side rather. Probably can't see it here, but it's 67 by 66.6 centimeters. So we'll cut that out. And the plan here, sorry for the camera, plan is to tack that into place first and then start with the tubing. I cut the plate and the fit is pretty good. It's probably about a millimeter too tall here. I rounded off the corners in there. I'll tack the bottom first, and then I'll do one side while I have the square on the outside of the box. So we'll see how it goes. I tacked the side here, and it came out pretty straight. This side is as close as the square I have, so very good. This one seems to go a little bit inwards here, more than it should. Maybe a millimeter on the total length, so Maybe I'll grind away the tacks and make a little more space there. And I figured I'll weld the top two before starting with the tubes, because I was worried about it being difficult to weld inside the box, but when I have it standing like this, it's okay. Just need some air plugs. So I guess the next step is to make or to cut the other side plate. I use a 1mm disc, and it's quite surprising how fast it goes, and you can get pretty good accuracy too, within 1mm at least. I welded this side piece in, just before I did it I realized I had forgotten to the dual sanding on this upper sidewall, so I have to do that. Afterwards, I can't get to the corners in there. Anyway, I'll just do the corners by hand. It came out pretty good, I think. Still not very stiff. You can look at the joint here. I don't know if you can see it really. I'll try to focus. Pretty good. As I said before, maybe the plan now is to continue to tack on all the tubes. This, but these are 3mm. I have the 2mm for the upper ones. These are going to be in the bottom. Tack on all tubes on the outside and in the bottom, and then start welding the tubes or the inside after I tacked everything. Then weld the tubes last. I'll try to make a video and upload it this evening, and if anyone that is a welder by trade, does it for a living, has any better idea of the way to do this, I'll be happy to listen to them.